Hello, 6th standard children. Today I am going to study social science. In that second lesson, you are going to study Karnataka. Introduction. Karnataka is our state and Kannada is our language. It is important to know about the natural resources, agriculture, industries, and other aspects of our land. In order to facilitate this, in this chapter, the four administrative divisions of Karnataka are introduced to you. In the previous years, you have already studied about the Karnataka unifications movement and the freedom struggles that took place in Karnataka. The rivers, crops, products that are produced, banks, irrigation facilities, forest and wildlife of our land are introduced here. For the better administrations, our state is divided into four revenue divisions. All the four divisions are introduced here in this lesson. Understanding the importances of the history of the division of Karnataka, the districts of each divisions and their significances. Second point, understanding the details of the crops that are grown, population, industries, rivers, and other aspects of the divisions. Third point, understanding which is our division, what are its uncuteness, what are the natural resources available like wildlife, bird sanctuaries of the division. Understanding the popular people in the field of sports like literature and arts. Information about the people who have excellent in the field of the art, literature, sports and politics. And in the last point, in a nutshell, this study enables the students to understand the religion's differences and talk with the confidence about it. Now we'll study the lesson, children. The administrative division of Karnataka. Our land is Karnataka. Our state has a history of 2000 years. Many parts of our states have prehistoric stones age sites. Historians have identified such cities in the variation parts of the state. In this chapter, we shall study about the four administrative divisions of our state and their significances. We shall also learn about the districts in each division, like the natural resources, agriculture, industries, education, literature, arts, tourist places, and other aspects in detail. Variation districts were formed during the British rule. In many instances, the district headquarters have got changed. Some districts were made smaller and some other have been extended. In order to facilitate better administration, Karnataka is divided into four revenue divisions. Bengaluru divisions has been divided into 9 districts. Mysore division has been divided into 8 districts. Belagavi divisions has been divided into 7 districts. And Kalburgi divisions into 6 districts. So total there are 30 districts in total, children. Each district is headed by a deputy commissioner and the division is headed by the divisional commissioner. We shall know about the districts, their uncuteness like natural resources, agriculture, industries, rivers, resources, crops, forests, climate, art, literature, folklore, sports, festival and fairs in brief. Now children, this is a map of the Karnataka, children. Here you can see the Kalburgi, which is having the green color. Belagavi, which has been shaded with the pink color. Bengaluru with the blue and Mysore with the purple. Okay, children. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It is one of the administrative division of Karnataka. There are 9 districts in Bengaluru division. Bengaluru urban, Bengaluru rural, Kolar, Chikkaballapur, Ramnagar, Tumkur, Chitradurga and Shimoga. This division is in the southern part of Karnataka. Okay. Bengaluru has a history as rich as Karnataka. The earliest rulers were from the Ganga dynasty. Kokkavalapura was their capital of whose Gangas. Now it is present in Kolar. After the decline of the Gangas, the area came under the rule of the Cholas, Hoysalas, Vijayanagar kings, Marathas, Mysore kings, and Bijapur, Adil Shahi. During the rule of Vijayanagar Emperor Paligara or administrative chieftains were appointed to administrate a different religion. These regions were called as Pali Putta or Paligaras, were the leaders or we can tell as a Nayakas, and reported to the Vijayanagar kings. They had to submit tax and gifts to the kings. Some of the important Paliputtas were like Kaladgi, Chitradurga, Yelahankara, and Chikkaballapur. So this all happened about the administrative children. Thank you, children.